So the voice of the customer activities generated a large database of questions and answers that really became the basis for the specifications on the design. So if a customer said quality is important, we focused a lot on the quality of the components and the design and our supplier quality. The customer said, as a contractor, they wanted things to be very easy to install and easy to troubleshoot and to service. So we focused with the design teams on making sure that those particulars were really a key point in the design and the manufacturability of the product. What the customer wants, quality, reliability, and performance, at a competitive price and cost, that's really what drove the specifications.
We made an investment in this all-electric tube benders, and these all-electric tube benders are repeatable and fast-paced and very high-quality tubes, and they're all electric as opposed to being hydraulic machines. So what that really means to the customer is these benders, the bends are so repeatable and the quality is very repeatable. So when it goes to get assembled in a heat exchanger, we have very high-quality tubes that will never leak, and it's very safe to know that your tubes are always going to be intact in the heat exchanger.
We've got heat exchangers that'll be stainless steel on the gas side. The engineering manufacturing team figured out a way to make a costly option standard with the processes they use, and that allows us to give a lifetime heat exchanger warranty at no additional cost. The customer knows that those heat exchangers are going to last the 20 to 30 years that they need to last.
So we can accurately create a fixture and tooling. It all fits nice, they're able to braze it up clean, that minimizes leakage, and it goes together really well. So far, everybody's been really pleased with the fixtures that have come out.
Everybody has to run the standard AHRI test, rating test to sell the product, but hopefully we're taking an extra step to give the customer added value through transit tests, shipping tests, make sure that any copper or component failures occur here and we can design those resonances or frequencies out of the product. Also doing rain tests, make sure we don't have any water being drawn into the cabinet. And we're doing sound tests, trying to get the dB of the compressor and the outdoor fan down to a comfortable level.
So probably the most significant thing that we've done to improve the quality of our products has been we commissioned a Halt chamber. And the Halt chamber allows us to test 24 systems simultaneously for what's the equivalent of 5 years of actual field testing. It allows us to create conditions that we can't necessarily create even on a field test. It runs the systems outside of their normal operating envelope. That systematically improves the reliability, which translates into production quality, which translates into field quality, for the customer. Longer lifetime.
So on these projects, we've done a lot differently, almost everything differently, and it's really exciting. We got to instill a lot of new technology and abilities in the controls while maintaining a low-cost solution for our customers, which we know is important as well. We were able to combine the blower technology in with the furnace control so that in the dual fuel situation, you only need 2 controls, and those controls are connected by one harness, and then you have a very, obvious landing spot for your thermostat wires.
On the demand defrost, we're trying to give the customer added value, more comfort, lower energy bills. We have 4 curves on the board, allows the technician or homeowner, probably technician, to determine what's the best defrost cycle for his heat pump, giving maximum performance and comfort.
Contractors want to be able to get units installed quickly, they want to service them quickly, that's how they make money. So the customer said, one, you got to have a good base rail, but it's got to be easy to remove. 2 screws on each corner. It takes about 3 minutes to remove 8 screws and the base rail comes right off. Another is accessibility for the evap coil. And so with this design, you remove 2 braze joints, remove 3 screws, and the evaporator coil slides right out of the unit so it's easy to clean.
With this design, we got all the serviceability, all the components he needs access on the front of the unit. It's got the compressor on the left side, the blower motor on the middle part of the unit design, and all the controls and electrical components on the right side of the unit. The outdoor fans in the top facing him, it's all right there in the front. He doesn't have to go completely around the unit. What that means for the technician is better serviceability, quicker time on the job, and a better complete job.
I think we've really paid attention to what the customers, being contractors, have wanted to develop as far as a product. We really focused on quality, performance, and the overall experience of selling a product, having features that contractors can easily sell to a homeowner, as well as giving the homeowner, that end customer, a better product. Easy to buy, easy on performance, saves the money, but most importantly has the reliability and the quality at a level better than anybody else in the industry. That's really the key.